Alright, so we're opening the plastic. It's like, oh, I guess that's a double album thing. Okay, so we have that. A little booklet. And then we open this. Got the artifacts. I think I'm missing a CD. Is there supposed to be a second CD in them? I might be missing a CD, but it's fine. Oh, this is beautiful. So this is the magnet. So this is the patch for the manuscript. The magnet, kind of the same thing, but this should be the bookmark. Ooh, look at that. Has TTPD on the back of it. I really like this. Oh, that's beautiful. And then what's in here? With excerpts from the manuscript. Oh, it has little cards. It's like so in 1989, it actually came with little sets of Polaroids for people to look at. It has like little pictures. With lyrics. This is really pretty. Now I want them all so I can collect them. Now and then I reread the manuscript, but the story isn't mine anymore. And the tears fell in synchronicity with the score. Looking backwards might be the only way to move forward. And at last she knew what the agony had been for. That's beautiful. I'm really happy with this purchase. Alright. Thank you for tuning in to my video. If someone knows if there's supposed to be a second CD in this, or maybe it's just, I don't understand why it would just be, like why they would make a spot for a CD and then not have a CD. So, if someone knows, I would also like to know, but that's okay. I'm gonna listen to this CD and see if it has all the songs on it. I have a poem by Stevie Nicks in here. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Well, thank you for tuning in. Have a good night.